Hello students, good morning. Welcome in my today's class. In today's class, we will start the poem To Be or Not To Be. This poem is included in BA Part 1st syllabus, and this poem is written by the legend of English literature William Shakespeare. So, before reading this poem, we will know something about the pride of English literature William Shakespeare. So, let's discuss about the greatest poet, dramatist, and actor William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare is called the Bard of Avon. The word here means the poet, and Avon is the name of river in his blaze. So William Shakespeare is called the Bard of Avon because of his high poetic qualities. William Shakespeare is the national poet of England. William Shakespeare is widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language. His main works are about life, love, death, revenge, grief, jealousy, murder, magic, and mystery. Now, we will discuss about some important facts related to his life. William Shakespeare was born on 23 April 1564 at Stratford-upon-Avon in United Kingdom. He is widely regarded as the Bard of Avon. William Shakespeare's father's name was John Shakespeare and his mother's name was Mary Arden. At the age of 18, he was married to Anne Hathaway. Anne Hathaway was 8 years older than him. After they are married, they had 3 children, Judith, Susanna, and Hamnet. Susanna was name of their girl, and Judith and Hamnet were twins, and they were their sons. William Shakespeare was died on 23 April 1616 at the age of 52. So students, we have discussed about the life of William Shakespeare. He born in 1564 and died in 1616. He is widely regarded as the Bard of Avon. And now we will discuss about his important works. William Shakespeare wrote 154 sonnets in his life. William Shakespeare wrote 154 sonnets in his life, and he wrote these sonnets in 1609. It is important question that William Shakespeare wrote 154 sonnets in 1609, and we know very well that sonnet is a short lyric poem of 14 lines. William Shakespeare also wrote a long narrative poem named Venus and Adonis. Venus and Adonis is a long narrative poem, and it is written by William Shakespeare, and Venus and Adonis was published in 1593. Venus and Adonis is a long narrative poem, and it was published in 1593, while William Shakespeare wrote 154 sonnets, and these sonnets were published in 1609. William Shakespeare wrote 37 plays in his life. William Shakespeare wrote 37 plays in his life, and his plays were divided into 3 categories. First, comedies, second, histories, and third, tragedies. William Shakespeare's 37 plays are divided into 3 categories: comedies, histories, and tragedies. His important comedies are All Is Well, That's Unwell, As You Like It, Comedy of Errors, Love's Labour's Lost, Measure for Measure, Merchant of Venice, Merry Wives of Windsor, Midsummer Night's Dream, Much Ado About Nothing, Taming of the Shrew, Tempest, Twelfth Night, Two Gentlemen of Verona, and Winter's Tale. Now we will discuss about his important historical plays. Henry IV Part 1st, Henry IV Part 2nd, Henry V, Henry VI Part 1st, Henry VI Part 2nd, Henry VI Part 3rd, Henry VIII, King John, Pericles, Richard II, and Richard III. These are William Shakespeare's important historical plays. After it, we will discuss about his important tragedies. Antonio and Cleopatra, Coriolanus, Cymbeline, Hamlet, Julius Caesar, King Lear, Macbeth, Othello, Romeo and Juliet, Timon of Athens, Titus and Andronicus, Troilus and Cressida. These are famous tragedies written by William Shakespeare. Makbul Bollywood movie is based on William Shakespeare's tragedy Macbeth. Omkara movie is based on Othello, and Heather movie is based on Hamlet. So we have discussed William Shakespeare's 37 plays. His plays are divided into three categories: comedies, histories, and tragedies. His 37 plays were published in 1623 in Portfolio, or we can say that Portfolio is collection of William Shakespeare's comedies, histories, and tragedies. His plays were published in Portfolio in 1623. So students, today we discussed about the legend of English literature, William Shakespeare's life, and we also discussed about his important works. We also discussed sonnets. He wrote 154 sonnets. He also wrote a long narrative poem, and he wrote 37 plays, and these plays were published in Portfolio in 1623. In next class, we will start the poem To Be or Not to Be. Thank you very much.